Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Steven from Rich From Anywhere, and today I'm actually going to be giving you guys a huge hack that you're going to be able to put on your checkout page for some major scarcity and some urgency that's going to really help you guys get some really good conversion rates and get a lot more sales in your Shopify stores. All right. So if you guys are brand new to Rich From Anywhere, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, stomp up and down on that like button. Let us know you enjoy the content that we're creating for you guys, and so we can keep it coming at you. All right. So just to kind of brief you guys on what I'm actually going to be talking about today. If you know, or maybe you might not know, that Shopify this year in 2019, in January, I think it was January 18th or 19th, they actually put a ban on people being able to use the JavaScript code and within the Google Analytics box so that you can actually put urgency timers. So what we used to be able to do is we had a timer, like a JavaScript that we can put into the Google Analytics box inside of Shopify, and it would actually create a timer on your checkout page. And what this timer did was it really created a lot of urgency for your guests that are checking out to hurry up and check out, and it really helped out conversion rates a lot. But since January 18th, anybody who doesn't have it already on their store, anyone after January 18th, you can no longer use that urgency timer or any kind of JavaScript inside of that Google Analytics box anymore. So what that means is we have no extra urgency when people come to our checkout page, and that can really hurt conversions a lot. So what we did is we actually found a hack that we're going to share with you guys today that's going to actually get around that. If you already have this app in your store before January 18th, then you guys are good. But if not, if you're a brand new store, then this is really going to help you guys out. All right. Listen, we just created this weekend, and our conversion rate on our store was 2%, right? Which is pretty normal on Shopify stores. When we added this new little hack that we're about to give you guys, it jumped up to 6%, or maybe a little bit more, literally the same day. All right. So let's go ahead and just get right into it, man. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. This is basically, let me show you guys, back in the day before, January 18th of 2019, if you wanted to put some JavaScript in, you would have to come in, put your Google Analytics code in here, and then it would pop up another box, and then underneath the Google Analytics box, you would put in your JavaScript, and that would basically put in a timer on your checkout page. And that would really help out with urgency and stuff, but you can't do that anymore. So we had to find a way to get around it, and we just did. So we wanted to share it with you guys because it really has helped out. Actually, let me show you guys how much it actually helped out. So we actually put this on. This is a brand new store that we just started helping somebody out with, and I think we started like on the 2nd or something. And as you can see, like, we got a couple sales. The conversion rate was pretty low, right? Because it was a brand new store, brand new pixel, brand new everything. Literally, I think it was between the 5th and the 6th. Yeah, like the next day, basically. We put on this checkout page, and look what happened to the conversion rate. 6.4%, all right? We didn't spend any more money on ads. We were running the same exact product. But our conversion rate went up 6% because of this. All right. So now you guys, you can see that this really works. All right. So let's go in. Let's show you how to actually do it. All right. You're going to come into online store. You're going to go to customize. All right. Once you get to customize, come up to this little tab right here, put in the checkout page. All right. And then it's going to pop up the checkout page. So this is actually the urgency right here, guys. An item in your cart is almost gone with flashing fire. So when someone hits this page, all right, they were already interested in it, but then this pops up at the top and they're like, oh my God, I got to hurry up and check out before it's gone. Check out now to secure your order, right? So this is how we did that. Very easy. You guys don't even need to know any coding or anything, all right? I'm going to make this super simple. Come down to the logo. This is where you're supposed to put your logo or any image like that. Some people put discount codes in here, but what we actually did is we realized that not only can you put images, but you can actually put GIFs in here as well. All right. So that's exactly what we did, was we uploaded a GIF onto this checkout page. And let me show you guys how we did it. This is the actual GIF that I created right here, and I just uploaded it right onto the checkout page, and now it's there for everyone to see, and no coding, no nothing like that. So basically all you guys have to do is create your own GIF and then just upload it on here. Just in case you guys don't know how to do that, what you can do is go to gifmaker.me and you can actually create your own GIFs for free on this website right here. And all you would basically do is just upload multiple images, right? So all this really is just an image of an item in your cart is almost gone without the fire, and then it's another image of it with the fire. Okay, so I uploaded both of those images onto here, and then I basically just created a GIF of it. So now it has that illusion of its flashing. Okay, so you take that GIF, download it to your computer, and put it right on your checkout page. Boom, and it's done just like that. Guys, put this on your store, and I want to see what it does to your conversion rate. I want to see if it helps. Comment below if this helped out, if you've seen any increase in your conversion rate. Because it really, as you can see, it helped us. It jumped our conversion rate up 6% just by having this on here. All right. So if you guys want a little bit more in depth on how I actually created this, let me know and I can create another video on how I actually created my own GIF. And just to let you know, guys, we're always creating new stuff like this and dropping a bunch of advice like this in our Facebook group. You can actually click the link in the description below. It's a free group. Go ahead and request access to that and join the group, because we have a bunch of people in there that are killing it, and we're always dropping, gems like this all the time. So I hope to see you guys in the Rich from Anywhere group. Again, if you guys like what we're sharing here at Rich from Anywhere, subscribe to our channel so you can always stay updated on all the newest, latest stuff that we're dropping, and make sure that you jump up and down on that like button if you got some value from this, guys. Again, if you guys have any questions, comment below, and we would love to hear from y'all, and we would love to help you guys out as much as we can. All right, Rich from Anywhere gang, we out of here. Peace.